grab some important information so that don't forget. Can you hear me? Mr. New Light, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you,
Can,
boss.
can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let's move ahead. So in this class, I want to show you a quick 3-step process that you can use to start making rent on the internet without owning a house. It's very possible that you can make money on the internet, the same kind of money that landlords make. It's very possible the moment you have your internet connection, your phone, your smartphone, it is very possible that you can make rent on the internet without owning a house. So I'm going to show you a quick 3-step process that you are going to use to start making rent with your smartphone. And also you are going to discover how to start a regular paying digital real estate blog business that pays up to 9,406 naira every day using a simple link that you copy and paste on your browser. This simple link, all you have to do is to copy it and paste it into your browser, and you will have a digital real estate. So you are going to discover how to start the regular paying digital real estate in this class. Plus, you're also going to find out how anyone can get this link for free and start earning consistently. The moment you get access to this link, you are going to start using it to make money. It will start making you money, consistent income daily. This is the power of LIHO investment, like digital real estate. LIHO stands for low investment, high output investment. That is the secret. The website I just showed you that the setup cost is free, aside the domain name, which is 30K a year, and they are making 50 million naira a month. This is the power of LIHO investment, like digital real estate. And LIHO stands for low investment, high output. You invest small, but you get a very big result. So a digital real estate is something on the internet that makes you money. Example, your TikTok. If you have a TikTok and that TikTok is making you money, then that TikTok is a digital real estate. If you have an Instagram, a Facebook, and you are getting paid, it is your digital real estate because it is making you money. The moment people come there, because if you have a Facebook that is paying you, people have to come there and watch your content. So it is your digital real estate. The moment people visit there, at the end of the month, you are going to get paid. So if you have a TikTok account that is earning you money, it is a digital real estate. But if you are not earning from it, it is not a digital real estate. If you are just there to post your picture, get likes, and just chat with people, it is not a digital real estate. It can only be something that makes you money on the internet. So all you need to activate this money making blog is this link that I'm telling you about. My promise to you is if you stay to the end of the training and you are part of the first 20 persons to join my academy, then I will give you this link and you are going to use it to generate a fully built blog site. The moment I give you this link, when you copy and paste it on your browser, you are going to get yourself a fully built blog site, a digital real estate. Why most people will never make real money online? Guess. The reason why most people will never make real money online, because you disobey the number one rule of making money. Thou shalt sell what people want to buy in a way that makes them want to buy it. To make money online, someone else must give it to you. So for you to make money online, you must sell something online. To make money online or offline, you have to sell something, period. Nothing happens until you sell something. When you open your shop, you must sell something. How does it work? How can I start selling information on a blog? If you're already asking yourself this question, that means yes, you are following me very well. How does it work? All these things I'm talking about. How can I start selling information on a blog? Here is how to build a digital real estate. You go to write on how to make tiger nut, and you have written your ebook and you are selling it for 3,500. What's information? How to make tiger nut, and you are selling it for 3,500 on your digital real estate. If you sell 4 copies a day or 120 copies a month, 3,500 just out of the 8.5 billion searches, 4 persons they buy this how to make tiger nut. If you sell 4 copies a day or 120 copies a month, that is 420,000 naira a month. 420,000 naira a month. If you check that in 1 year, that is 5 million plus in a year. Just selling information on how to make tiger nut that you are selling 3,500. The secret is the digital real estate where you package it, a link which I'm going to give you. You are going to use it to get yourself a digital real estate. Imagine what you could do with an extra 420,000 a month. What are you going to do with extra 420,000 naira a month? I want to hear your opinion.
A lot.
What are you going to do with 420,000 a month?
I said a lot. Oh,
It will do a whole lot for you.
a whole lot. See, we carry pikin, children. A lot.
That is the power of a digital real estate. Having the right information. With this, you could be sleeping, playing or watching TV, and still get paid by people browsing the internet. But with one digital real estate, you can be making that consistent money. You can save for a new car, you can pay your house rent. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But how many of you here is overwhelmed and thinking, how can I do that? I wish someone can help me more. How many of you here are convinced that this sounds good, but still wondering if it will work for you? Or you need someone to hold your hand and show you step by step how everything I have explained in this video is done. If this is you ask yourself this question: will you like me to personally walk you through this entire process myself so you can get the same result? Who is here that wants me to personally walk them through this entire process myself? Can you
Yes,
hear
I
me?
want to vote. Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Are you really sure you want success with a digital real estate?
Yes, now.
If you are so sure you are ready to transform your life and you want me to show you a program that can help you do just that, then I want you to say, I want to join your academy.
I want to join your academy.
Alright. If you are having this doubt like Precious, you are doubting that money can be made online, and maybe you don't like it right. See, if you find yourself in the same shoe like Precious, maybe you are feeling that nobody pays for information. Now, let me show you what Precious experienced. Then he tried it out. This same 3-step process, this simple 3-step process, he tried it out. He find a hot selling information, package it inside an ebook. He put it on a digital website, and he made 100,000 naira profit in a single day